abate, to become less intense. The storm suddenly abated. Abundant, more than enough. The region has abundant natural resources. Accentuate, to emphasize. The dress accentuates her elegance. Acumen, sharpness of mind. Her business acumen impressed the investors. Adept, skilled. He is adept at solving complex problems. Adhere, to stick firmly. We must adhere to the rules. Adversity, hardship. She showed courage in the face of adversity. Advocate, to support. They advocate for environmental protection. Affluent, wealthy. She comes from an affluent family. Alleviate, to make less severe. Medicine can alleviate pain. Ambiguous, unclear. The instructions were ambiguous. Amiable, friendly. He has an amiable personality. Anomaly, something unusual. The scientists noticed an anomaly in the data. Anticipate, to expect. We anticipate heavy rainfall tomorrow. Apprehensive, anxious. She was apprehensive about the interview. Arduous, very difficult. Climbing the mountain was an arduous task. Articulate, able to express clearly. She is articulate in her speeches. Assertive, confident. He is very assertive in meetings. Astute, clever. She is an astute businesswoman. Augment, to increase. They plan to augment their workforce. Autonomous, independent. The region became autonomous in 1990. Avid, enthusiastic. He is an avid reader. Benevolent, kind. A benevolent donor funded the school. Bolster, to support. The evidence bolstered his argument. Candid, honest. She gave a candid opinion. Capricious, unpredictable. The weather is capricious in spring. Coherent, logically connected. The essay is coherent and well-structured. Competent, capable. She is a competent teacher. Complacent, self-satisfied. He became complacent after success. Comprehensive, complete. They conducted a comprehensive study. Concede, To admit. He conceded that he was wrong. Conducive, helpful. A quiet room is conducive to studying. Conspicuous, easily noticeable. Her red dress was conspicuous in the crowd. Contemporary, modern. The gallery displays contemporary art. Contemplate, to think deeply. She contemplated moving abroad. Contradict, to oppose. His actions contradict his words. Conventional, traditional. They follow conventional farming methods. Convoluted, very complicated. The plot is too convoluted to follow. Credible, believable. The story is not credible. Crucial, very important. Time management is crucial for success. Cumbersome, heavy or difficult. The box was too cumbersome to carry. Cynical, distrustful. She is cynical about politicians. Dearth, lack. There is a dearth of skilled workers. Debilitate, to weaken. The illness debilitated him. Decipher, to figure out. He deciphered the old manuscript. Defer, to postpone. The meeting was deferred until next week. Demeanor, behavior. His calm demeanor impressed everyone. Denounce, to criticize. They denounced the unfair policy. Derive, to get. We derive energy from food. Detrimental, harmful. Smoking is detrimental to health. Deviate, to go off course. He never deviated from his principles. Diligent, hardworking. She is a diligent student. Discrepancy, difference. There is a discrepancy in the reports. Discretion, good judgment. Use discretion when sharing information. Disdain, lack of respect. He looked at me with disdain. Disparage, to belittle. They disparaged his efforts. Disseminate, to spread. The news was disseminated quickly. Distort, to twist. The facts were distorted in the article. Diverge, to separate. The paths diverged in the forest. Diverse, varied. The city has a diverse population. Divulge, to reveal. She refused to divulge her sources. Dormant, inactive. The volcano has been dormant for years. Eloquent, fluent. He is an eloquent speaker. Elucidate, to explain. The teacher elucidated the concept. Emulate, to imitate. He tries to emulate his father. Endeavor, to try. We must endeavor to improve education. Endorse, to support. The celebrity endorsed the brand. Enhance, to improve. Good lighting enhances a photo. Enigmatic, mysterious. The smile was enigmatic. Entail, to require. This job entails a lot of travel. Enumerate, to list. She enumerated the main points. Epitome, perfect example. She is the epitome of kindness. Erratic, unpredictable. His driving is erratic. Eschew, to avoid. They eschew modern technology. Ethical, morally right. We must act in an ethical manner. Evade, to avoid. He evaded the question. Evaluate, to assess. We must evaluate the results. Exemplify, to be a model of. She exemplifies leadership. Exorbitant, excessive. The prices are exorbitant. Expeditious, fast. They completed the work expeditiously. Extol, to praise. They extolled her achievements. Fabricate, to invent. The story was fabricated. Facilitate, to make easier. The tool facilitates learning. Feasible, possible. The plan is feasible. Fluctuate, to change. Prices fluctuate daily. Formidable, inspiring fear. He faced a formidable opponent. Fortify, to strengthen. They fortified the walls. Frivolous, not serious. Stop making frivolous complaints. Futile, useless. Their efforts were futile. Gregarious, sociable. She is a gregarious person. Hinder, to obstruct. The noise hindered my concentration. Hypothetical, assumed. This is a hypothetical situation. Illicit, illegal. They were arrested for illicit activities. Impeccable, perfect. Her manners are impeccable. Impede. To slow down. Traffic jams impede movement. Imply. To suggest. Her tone implied disapproval. Incentive, motivation. Money is a strong incentive. Incessant, never-ending. The incessant rain flooded the city.